Hey, what's up? It's your boy, fucking shit fisher over here, vibing out, fucking doing work. See this shit? This shit is clean, mean clean green, compared to this stuff, which is like 10 years of grease and stuff. Like, dude, look at that, like, oh. So gross. It's like all over. Like, I swear to God, this is for real. We're taking this stuff off of theirs so that we can repaint them, because, you know. And so yeah, this is my job doing this, and not gonna lie, I'm getting a bit sweaty, which is weird. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that line. That I cannot even make up. So, what I'm using for the grease destroyer is I'm using a scrubby with some soap. Watered it down, and yeah, it's doing a real good job. I'll show you guys. Oh shit! All right, so you just hit that. Woo! Look at that. Isn't that better? I mean, I sure as fuck couldn't do it with paper towel. Cause look at this. I guess that I could have, but would have taken a lot more work. But yeah, so that is my project so far, and yeah, it's kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie, but also not. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say peace out. Have a good time, everybody.